Look who we have here. Oh. Hello, guys. You waiting for your mama? When your mama comes, you will be screaming. Like this. Now you very quiet. That's what your mama told you to do. Be quiet. You're good. Oi. Don't go away yet. Okay. Come here. Yeah. Yo, Eric, wait.
He's trying
I
to.
guess no, it's not mama. So they didn't scream.
Oh,
somebody
look!
Yeah.
Oh!
That's how they scream, yeah. Exactly.
Get it! Oh, he dropped it.
This is okay.
Let me get one for the other ones.
Okay.
He ate it.
Yeah. Put your hand close to the tree. Yeah. Don't feed the same one.
Yeah. This one's stubborn. He doesn't like it.
Give the one who is far. This is what you feed before.
Hello. Well, look how long the worm gets.
Yeah.
Hello. I didn't give this one any.
Yeah, okay.
He's too slow. Oh, look, there you go. Are you gonna eat it? He's trying. Oh, he's so cute. Aw. They're adorable. I'm sorry, I don't have any more.
Enough. It was big. Bye, guys.
Wait, what's in his mouth?
Bye. It's okay. Don't touch your mother. Mama gonna smell him.
Aww.
Okay, good.